Yes, hello my dear friend. Welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm going to show you how to beat your wife and how to slap your husband on a daily basis. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you are the first to know. So would you like a one-on-one online counseling session? Go to norarake.com/booking to speak to your #1 family, marriage and relationships expert. Would you like to order any of our organic natural health products? Go to norarake.com/shop. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The marriage rises and falls on the man because he is the rock, the head and the driver of the family. The wife is the helper and a companion. Men should strive to be the pillar and the stabilizer of the home. And this can only happen if he knows how to beat his wife. B.E.A.T is an acronym, and down below is the explanation of how a man should beat his wife. B. Bring out the princess in her. Every woman wants to be treated as the best and the only queen on earth. A husband must pamper, praise, pardon and promote his wife. He must provide for her and protect her. E. Empower her. When a woman marries a man, it doesn't mean that her dreams must be buried in the man's home. Help her to have a good job, education, work or business, and maximize her full potential in her generation. A. Affection. Reload affection every day as a man. Women are very emotional, so husbands must let their wives hear love. Tell her often how you love her. See love. Buy gifts for her often. You know those things which make her happy. Is it ice cream? Is it jewelry? Is it dressing, clothes? Buy her gifts. Gift her. Wives want to also feel the love of their husbands. For example, be in the bedroom with her, not just for intercourse, but also for talking to her, cuddling her, holding her, loving her. She needs to feel the love.
Go.
T. Tenderness. The worst thing a man can do to a woman is to talk to her in a harsh tone. Women hate men who shout at them, who disrespect them in their tone of voice. Be tender to your wife in words and in action. Never ever beat your wife physically, because she is your own body. She is your other rib. You see, that is how a man can beat his wife every day. B. Bring out the princess in her. E. Empower her. A. Affection. Give her affection. T. Tenderness. Be tender with her. And now we are going to the ladies. Let's see how you can slap your husband every day. Married women are the necks that will help their husbands to carry the homes. The husband is the head and the woman is the neck that helps the head to turn. This neck holds the head. So, how do you as a woman slap your husband every day? Women ought to be the homemakers, not home wreckers. Women are supposed to gladden their hearts with their words and their actions. Women are supposed to gladden their hearts with their words and action, not to break the men's hearts and send them to an early grave. Therefore, A good wife must slap her husband every day. S.L.A.P is an acronym, and down below I'm going to explain what it means to slap your husband. S. Submit to him. Submitting to your husband doesn't mean you will be a doormat or an individual without an identity. It simply means that you are a godly woman that recognizes God-given authority. You are a marriage material. If you can leave your parents and go live with him, adopt his name, then see him as your leader. You may be more educated, more wealthy, more religious, but just obey God. He only asks you to obey and submit to your husband. L. Love his family members. We all know that some in-laws can behave like outlaws. But I tell you one thing, we all know that true love conquers all hatred and injustice and persecutions. A wife that truly accepts, loves, and cares for the family members of the husband will surely live longer in that home and will always have the respect of her husband. L. Love your husband's family members. A. Assist him. God told Adam that he has made for him a helper. What does it mean? You are the helper of your husband. Don't be like some other women who, because they earn more than their husbands, are stingy and selfish. A helper also means auxiliary, assistant, right-hand woman, deputy, associate, colleague, partner. Therefore, help him emotionally, physically, sexually, financially, spiritually, psychologically. Other women refuse to work or do anything because they don't want to help their husbands. God made for Adam a helper, not an ATM card, or not someone who just sits there the whole day and watches television. Be his helper. Assist him. P. Pamper him. All men are mommy's boys. We all know that. That's why you hear people saying he acts childish, he does this, he does that. Even the most masculine guy will act childish at a moment or two. Treat him like your first boyfriend. Pamper him with tender love and care. Talk to him with love and respect. Correct him with love and affection, and never nag him or criticize him at any time. Know how and when to prepare his best food. Make his birthday and anniversaries or wedding anniversary a celebration of love. Shower him with gifts too. Show him you love him. Show him he deserves your love and respect. Remember, never slap him physically, but remain calm, pretty, presentable as his own princess. Therefore, ladies, that is how you can slap your husband every day. S. Submit to him. L. Love his family members. A. Assist him. P. Pamper him. Never forget, a wise woman builds her home, but a foolish woman tears it down with her own hands. That's Proverbs chapter 14, verse 1. And with this I declare, you will not fail in marriage in Jesus' name. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to know. Would you like to talk to a family and relationships expert? Go to noraarake.com/booking. And if you'd like to purchase any of our herbal organic products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Follow my handles: Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you. Bye.